the anthem. For all the women that been through shit, you been down, it's time to get the fuck up. Take over, boss lady. If you a bossed out chick, make your own money and floss them chips. Fly in, fly out, put your drinks up. Buy everything that you ever think of. T. New York.
So hi guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Myself, I'm okay. I hope you guys are okay, and yeah, we thank God for every day. Yeah, I think by now the floods are over. Yeah, obviously. And yeah, so it happens that I lost my introduction video of my apartment house tour. So I'm introducing the video again. So disclaimer, or just be prepared, you won't see the entrance part of my house because I lost that as well. I don't know what happened, but I had shot it. And for the kitchen video, you will see, because when I was like decluttering the utensils, I remember that I don't have like a kitchen tour, and I did it as much as it wasn't perfect because I was already like packing and stuff, but you'll see it. So I'm just doing an introduction video, and I hope you guys will enjoy my studio apartment house tour. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And yeah, by the time you're seeing this vlog, I've already moved out, and I thank God. Yeah, like life is great. So right now I'm currently in a new house. This is where I'm shooting my introduction video. So immediately you're done with the studio apartment house tour, you will see me decluttering, and then you will come with me to my new house. Let me know in the comment section of how you think my house was. If you want to know anything where I got it from, just comment down below. And yeah, I'll be ready to tell you all. And obviously I'll do another house tour of my 1-bedroom apartment. So watch out. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, honey. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. My lips are dry. I think I need to hydrate. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed shooting it. Love you guys. Don't mind my hair. It is one of those hair days, bad hair day. I was treating my hair. I was applying some leave-in, and yeah, this is how I just remember that I need to shoot a video. Yeah, bye guys. So guys, this is my closet. Up there I have the suitcase and the baby suitcase. So yeah, immediately open. I have another suitcase there. These are just some of the t-shirts that I give the visitors who come to my house. These are the clothes that I've hanged. This is a rack. It has my wigs and it has some socks. Down here I have my iron box and some bags. We have a drawer here. So immediately open. This is just my innerwear. These are my bras. These are my panties. These are some of my ankle socks. These are my phone covers. Here I have some, what do I have here? Oh, here I put like tampons and some panty liners that maybe I carried and I didn't use. Here I have my hair products. I have my flat iron and my hot comb. I have some hair tools here. I have some combs, brushes, hair bands. Yeah, you know them. These are my panty liners, gel, earrings, earbuds. This is just a box for my phone holder. This is a box for my AirPods. And yeah. So when we go down, here is where I have my clothes. I've arranged them systematically. Let's start with this side. This side, the first line, I have skirts and shorts. I have three columns, 3 rows. Yeah, the second row is dresses, and the third row is dresses. The second row again, this second column, I have skirts. The second row and the third row, dresses. Here the whole column is for tops. Same to this one. The first column is for tops. The second one, I have palazzos, official pants, yeah. And this other side, these are my dream wears and some t-shirts. And at the back, I have jeans, 2 rows, my jeans. Yeah, and that is all about my closet. This is my shoe rack. So sure you guys have seen it before, but let me just do a quick intro. So right on top there, I have my watch, my clock watch, yeah. Then next, I have my handbags, some of my handbags and those heels. And yeah, going down the first 3 rows, you see my shoes, heels, then sneakers, then sandals, then Converse, then sandals, and then boots. So on this other side, I have that is like my dressing section. So you'll see my perfume, my oil, my body oil, my face oil. Yeah, everything is there. So going to here, this is just like a deca book. I'm so sure you've seen it. Just a girl boss building her empire. So here is where I put my jewelry. I have my earrings and my chains. I have notebooks here. These are my shades. This is just a deca for Louis Vuitton, the Apogee perfume that I bought, and I have playing cards here. And yeah, this is just a tester for my next perfume, and yeah, I love it. So going down, I have handbags and again handbags, and here is where I keep some of my makeup products. And yeah, let me just show you. See, there's a lot going on there. Yeah, this is the view of my shoe rack. So I have a mirror right after here. So here is my mirror. It reflects everything. You see, let me show you the other side. So here is my bed, guys. And yeah, I have white beddings on and the pink duvet. Those are the curtains. And yeah, I'll insert a picture of how the mirrors were. They're falling down, and actually one of them has broken, and I don't see the urge of putting them back because I'm moving out in a few days. So yeah, there's no need to just be wasting of the loops. And yeah, but that is the view of my bed. My bed is 5 by 6. Yeah, it's a queen size bed. Coming to the table, this is my table. That is my humidifier, the one I ordered from Jumia. I have a deca book there, Chanel, and I have a storage area where I put my mats, a notebook that I use every day, and yeah. So on this side, you'll see my 2 seats. Yeah, I ordered 2 seats, and right there, this is my living section area where you meet my 2 beautiful seats, and right after the seats, it's the table. Yeah, and yeah, so this is the view. Yeah, and my sound system, I keep it down there. So hi guys, how you guys doing? I don't know why this light is buffing, like it's pathetic, but anyway. So I forgot to show you a video of how my kitchen looks like, and I've already started packing. So let me just show you what's going on here before I continue. Yeah, that is where I keep my glasses. You see, I've already packed some of the cocktail glasses, and I was just packing the food. This is the rice that is left, so I've just put it in the tin that way. This is my flour, and yeah, those are the rest of the utensils. Let me show you on the other side. So on this cabinet here, these are my spices. This is my cooking oil, Weetabix, and I normally have a tin there for sugar. I've removed it because I was like packing things already. There in the middle there's a hole, so there is where I keep my sugar. And the next part is here. Wow, things are falling. This is where I keep my toiletries. Yeah. And up there I have my box for the microwave and some bags just for decor. Yeah.